We're tossing things over with Lucy. Lucy doesn't have any crawfish for us today, though.
No, but she was talking. So I would like to watch that video of Lee trying to do that. Did Spiro do the crawfish eating contest, or did he just attend?
He just attended. He came home last night and he said, "There's a crawfish eating contest, but I didn't enter." He said, and I actually...
Spiro, you let us down.
I know. I was surprised. So he said it was a great event. He enjoyed it.
Well, it looked like a lot of fun. You know, crawfish so big right now, but also getting into these warmer months, we always try to look for things that are on the lighter side. And with this veggie pasta, it's lighter, it's good for you, but it's also has a little bit of twist with some pesto.
Yes, it is really delicious, and you can feel good about eating it. And when the spring comes and the summer, you know, everybody's eating more vegetables. People, you know, kind of pay more attention to the produce rack. You know, during the winter, everybody kind of hunkers down and eats some heavier stuff. So this one was kind of fun, and it's easy to put together on a weeknight or, you know, for any kind of time of day.
Yeah,
so
this is going to town over here.
I know. I was just thinking, ooh, that water.
Do I need to turn it down?
Here, let's pour our pasta in. So I'm just using bow tie pasta today. You could use penne or any kind of short pasta. You want to pour that in for me?
I'm a little scared as the water
I know,
is.
our pot's probably too small for boiling pasta, but we'll be fine.
The water's going
So I just put some salt in that. Whenever you're cooking pasta, you do want to salt the water. And this is actually just 12 ounces. Versus a 16-ounce bag. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to cook that for about 7 minutes, and at the very end, for the last minute, we're going to add in our one bunch of asparagus that I have already ready to go here. So that's chopped up and ready to go, and I have this pot here on medium. We'll turn it up to medium high, but I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and we'll start on our onions.
Yeah, so I have to tell you, I have done the morning show the last couple of days, so I am there when my mail runs, so I walked out to the mailbox. Lo and behold, guess who was in my mailbox?
Greer's.
Greer's was in my mailbox. I saw your latest ad that just came out, so I was really excited about that. I should have taken a picture and sent it to you.
Actually, I was in Bay Minette for the last couple days, and we're having a special sale going on there. So if you are out in that area like Chastity or Perdita or Stockton, or of course anywhere in Bay Minette, head on out to the Greer's in Bay Minette. For the next couple weeks, because we're having some really hot specials going on there, and I've really been enjoying seeing the customers over there. When I'm in the stores doing things, people always say, "We didn't know that you really worked." I'm like, "Oh yeah, I do
all the time,
all the time." So that is, I mean, everybody says, you know, what's the best part of your job? And that's the best part, when I'm out in the stores and meeting customers. That's really fun for me, and then I can take a break from working in the deli.
Well, hey, I have to also mention, for those, I know it's in the Bay Minette store, but I know it's in other Greer's locations too, the local area that you have in there. Robbie and I were in there not too long ago. I mentioned those candles that you sell that are a local product, lots of local honey, all there on the end cap.
Yeah, that's so funny. I was just thinking about yesterday when I saw that end cap in that store. Yeah, we try our very best to put in our stores local products, especially companies that are just starting out, so we can try to help support them. And I really like how it's all grouped together like that. So, you know, we're trying to support other local businesses and hopes that, you know, the communities will support us being local.
Yeah, and you know, with all the rain going on this morning, it always reminds me when stuff like this happens, when the weather gets, you know, fun, that you guys do grocery pickup. If they need to get something out this morning, you can set that up, go pick up your groceries, all that good stuff.
Yeah, it's so easy. Greers.com/shop. You can see all of our locations, which is too many to even name right now, that have the curbside pickup, and now we have delivery in Mobile and also expanded over to Baldwin County too. So lots of options to make everybody's life easier.
We like that, making our life easier by cooking some good food.
Yeah,
hey, I'm making my life easier. I'm hungry, girlfriend. We're going to continue to work on this pasta. It's going to be one you want to print out. You can check it at Greers.com, also FoxNTV.com under the Studio 10 tab. Asha, I like this recipe.